The men went up the mountains to get coal, and it wasn't very good coal, as you can imagine. Lots of it was slag, but we tried to burn it because we had to. And also, there was a canal, and it had dried up, and people were digging in the canal, in the dry canal, and getting these lumps of coal out. Years ago, the barges used to go up and down to Aberdare, and the people, to make the barges a bit lighter, you know, sometimes they'd be a bit too heavy, they'd throw lumps over the side, you see. So the people were getting these lumps of coal out.
I remember the very rich lady coming from London, and they told us in school a rich lady had come from London and we were to have tea with her. And they marched us down to Ogwr Vale, that's a mile away from our school, all marched down the road. And I remember looking at this lady thinking, gee, it must be wonderful to be rich. She had a posh car with a chauffeur. And we trooped in with the teachers now and had to be good and behave yourself. And we had a glass of lemonade and a cake and a present. And my present was a string of pearls. Beautiful, I thought. Pearls. They were the old candle grease one you'd have for a halfpenny at that time, I think. And I came home and my mother said, well, what happened? There was this lady, ma'am, and we had some lemonade and we had a cake. And look what she gave me. And I remember my father grabbing that necklace and banging it against the wall, saying they come from London to salve their conscience with a string of beads for starving kids. I bawled my eyes out because the beads broke, and there was my mother busy threading them all together, telling my father she doesn't understand.